Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the rear dome light on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To take this rear dome light down, we'll take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. Just push it in. Just slide this little clip over. A little clip right there. Just slide it over. You can disconnect the connector right here. Slide that off. There's another connector right here. Just disconnect that. Just wiggle that right off. Now we'll connect the connectors. Line this up here. And this connector up here. You can slide this up like that. And lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.